Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I'm back, guys, on behalf of, as you can see, Funnel X ROI. All right, I'm super excited about it. Now, this system, if you want to put your Easy One Up business on total automation, if you're in Easy One Up, okay, which is digital education, okay. Digital education, direct member to member, okay, program that pays anywhere from $25 to $2,000 instant pay. Okay, that's the main business in here. That's what got me excited with it, because I'm already a part of Easy One Up. But putting your business on total automation, that's the Funnel X, okay? But you're probably landing here, guys, because you're looking for a way. You're out here searching online, looking for a way to make some money online, and that's how you end up finding me. I am a full-time affiliate marketer, okay? And what I actually do is I promote products and services or tools, okay? Tools that will help you with whatever your business is. Whatever it is, I have tools that can help you get more sales and sign-ups and leads in your primary business, okay? But today what we're talking about is Funnel X, okay? And I want to call this, and I made a little note to myself, I want to call this an automated residual income system. Because truly, this system is automated. Once you send visitors to this funnel, there is step by step. It's like someone sitting next to you telling you what to do step by step. Click here, click there. Okay, I mean truly step by step setup. So you don't have to make a call to anyone. You actually just sit here, press play, and you've got guidance in setting your whole funnel up, guys. Okay, so that's what made me excited about it. Okay, which I don't have a problem speaking to people, but this is just another way, because it's perfect for a beginner. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. Someone that needs assistance in setting up everything, because typically we have to help people set up their funnels, and we have different systems to guide you to, whether it's the autoresponder or the marketing system you purchase. With this, it's all under one roof, okay? And then you have a guide to help you do that step by step. All right, so Funnel X, what I'm loving is it has the 4 income streams in it, okay? You've got Easy One Up. As I mentioned, you can make anywhere from $25 to $2,000 instant member to member. Depends on what level you come in at. I definitely recommend positioning yourself at the highest you can come in at, okay? Because if you don't, those sales and commissions will be passed up. All right, so you've got Easy One Up. You've got your autoresponder. It's already built in here. All you got to do is set it up. You have your tracking tool, okay? The tool that's going to help you track your links that you're putting out here to get visitors to your funnel, okay? So, and then we have lead generation. Can you believe we actually can get paid for leads? People actually putting in their name and email, okay? So I'm going to show you a little bit of that. So that's what got me started. So an automated residual income system, hands off. You don't have to do any, you don't have to guide anybody step by step. Let them go through this funnel and it will guide them where they need to go and set up their entire funnel. Okay, so let me show you real quick. All right, let's go here. Easy One Up. Check this out. Now, this is how you're going to know you're all set. Okay, and they're going to make sure, he's going to make sure you're set up before you get out of the system. You're going to test it and all that, guys, so that you can make sure you won't have to wonder, well, I wonder, did I really set it up correctly? No worries. That's going to be taken care of, because you're going to have, someone's going to actually hold your hand all the way through this. So check this out. Here's the Easy One Up. Look at this. Now, this is how you know I'm set up. Let's take a look here. This thing is moving a little slow since we're doing this recording. It always does that. So hang in. Okay, so look at this. 100% commissions. That's what Easy One Up is going to do for you. Anywhere from $25 up to $2,000, you come in here. See, it tells me I'm completed. I'm 100% complete. Tells me, great job. That step is set up. I've plugged my Easy One Up information in that. Okay. Now, let me show you something else. We'll go all the way down just to this other level because I want you to see this. Check this out. All right, I'm going to go to the end because I'm going to show you. This is how it's completely set up. Okay, and you know it's correct. So we're going to go to the last income stream right here. Okay, integrate your pay per lead account. This is what I'm talking about. We're going to get paid, guys, just for leads if they're valid. Okay, anywhere from $1 up to $997 in commissions. And it tells me I'm complete. Okay, so you see that? I am totally complete. I'm activated in everything. And let me show you something else. Let's see here. Yep, that was the last one. So I want to show you that, guys. It's step by step. All you're going to do is you're going to go, when you first log in here, you go through my funnel. It tells you start here. Okay, so you can't go, okay, let it go back. Okay, it tells you first watch the welcome video. Okay, so if you can actually press play on your laptop, I highly recommend setting this up from your desktop. Okay, when you first get so that you can make sure you can see the full screen. Okay, so you can't go wrong. Or if you went out and you didn't finish, it tells you right here, welcome back. You need a refresher on what you need to do next. Watch this video. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that, guys. No question about, well, I'm new to online, I really don't know what to do. This is the perfect, go through this and check it out. It's free to get in this system, but you want to plug into the income streams. Okay, the 4 income streams that's built in here. All right, so that's what it is. Now, let's see here. Hold on a sec. So, this is definitely a system you want to get, guys. What I really like about it, this is one of our capture pages. I'm just going to show you this one real quick. Take a look at this, okay? It's different than the normal ones that we usually see with a picture or something that says make 500, make 1,000 a day and all that stuff. Check this out. I mean, real simple. It doesn't seem forceful. You know, it just says, let me take you under my wing and help you generate your first big commission today. I mean, who's going to say no to that? You at least curious, right? Okay, start getting results before dinner time tonight. You at least curious to go to the next step. Would you like me to personally help you step by step until you earn your first commission? I mean, if you're marketing to targeted people, who's going to say no to that? I mean, look at this. No, I don't need any help. I'm already making thousands per week. Right? So it piques anyone's curiosity. So you're going to say yes. Okay? And when you say yes, check this out. Do you have 10 to 15 minutes right now to set up your system? I'm not in a rush to make money today. Really? Okay? So you're going to say yes. And when you say yes, boom, it says, what's your email? Your primary email. Okay? And that's how you get people. The system takes over. The funnel X is on, it's ready to go. Okay, and it will take over for you from that point. So that's what I love about it, total automation. Now, it's after the holiday, so I did not run any traffic. Okay, I didn't run any traffic the week before the weekend of the holiday. But that Friday, okay, right before the holiday, I had a couple sales that came through. If you take a look right here, okay, a couple sales came through. Okay, so that's a myth. That's what I also love about being an entrepreneur online, that people will tell you, oh, it's a holiday, you know, nobody's going to do anything, nobody's going to sign up and all these. This was a Friday before the holiday, and I had 2 people, was it 3 people that signed up. Okay, so just the holiday, then it paid off. But I did not run any traffic the week, you know, that week of or the weekend or anything like that. But that just shows you that the system's in place. Link below. I want you to check this out, guys. Total automation. Definitely perfect for the newbie, the person that says, hey, I really don't want to talk to people, you know, that kind of thing. Because this system is going to walk them step by step. And then the autoresponder that's put together has your name included. Okay, so it's just really doing all the follow-up and the selling and telling for you. Okay, so your job is just to get visitors to your funnel, okay, and just push traffic through there over and over and over again. You know, I'm using text message marketing. I am using voice drop. Okay, so those are some different things that I'm doing, and I'll be happy to show you guys these things as well, because I love to share and guide people through the systems to help you, not just show you results, but show you how to do these things. Okay, so that's very important to me. So I'm going to put the link below too for the texting, because if you're interested in that, you're already in this program or in whatever program, you might want to check out my texting, the 2 texting platforms that I have. Okay, so that's all I've got for you guys. Go ahead and join me in the Funnel X ROI. Okay, you will be happy that you did. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that notification bell, guys, so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so I look forward to you joining the team and partnering with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.